Hello, Adina Diaz here, your skincare guru, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about facials and what to expect in a facial and before receiving a facial. So first things first, if you are going in for a facial and you've never had a facial ever done before, be on time. It is huge. Be on time. You have to fill out paperwork before about your skincare concerns, questions, allergies, hormones, diet. These are things that the skincare specialists need to know before doing any services prior on you. So if you're 10 minutes late, 15 minutes late, it's gonna take away from the massage portion, it's gonna take away from the extractions, and just overall, it's gonna make your treatment a lot shorter. So you don't want that. You want the full benefit, and hey, you're on time to your doctor's appointment, be on time to your skincare appointments. So second, caffeine. I do not recommend people to have any caffeine before receiving any facial treatments or body treatments. You want to fully relax and enjoy the service. You also want to stay hydrated. So if you're in the middle of a service, getting a facial, getting a body treatment, and your eyes are twitching, it could be from the caffeine. So I just say, try not to do any caffeine before coming in and getting the service done. Also, you should 100% work out prior to coming in to get your treatment done. You're sweating, you have oil, you might be outside hiking or jogging or doing any outdoor activities. You don't want any of that stuff to be smacked right back onto the skin that we just cleansed and exfoliated. You want to go home with clean skin and either go to bed with the products we put on you or be able just to do a quick rinse and put some appropriate products on right afterwards to prep yourself for bed. On top of that, when doing a facial, there is a lot of stimulation that happens. You get a lot of circulation, you get a lot of blood flow, you do get a little pink, you do get a little rosy. That is normal after a facial. You don't want to go straight into a hot yoga class afterwards and cause more stimulation. It could be irritating to your skin, and you want to avoid that completely. So those are a couple things before and after. Just the lifespan of a facial, it's usually the first 3 days people's skin is a little bit irritated, a little pink, a little rosy. That's normal. We just did either an enzyme, microdermabrasion, LED light therapy, extractions. These things cause stimulation to the skin. So just be aware and know that that is normal. After the 3 days, then people start saying, oh my God, Adina, my skin is on fleek. It looks amazing. Everyone's skin afterwards has a beautiful glow for a week that usually people say lasts for a week. And then you start to notice you need to get a little picker-upper, and that's when your exfoliants come into place and you book your next appointment. So good skin, bad skin, you should be getting a facial once a month. That is like the cycle usually of our periods and just the lifespan of a facial, of like the sloughing, the natural process of our dead skin coming off. Sometimes it's harder, especially in cities like Los Angeles. The more smog, dirt, pollution, makeup you had added to that, it's harder for our skin to shed it off naturally. So that's what I'm here for, to help you. So, all right, I hope that answers all the questions. I hope you guys have a beautiful day or night, and I will see you guys next time. If you guys have any questions at all that I didn't answer, please leave the comments down below, and I will get to them. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.